We interrupt our regular programming to bring you this global emergency alert. Important details and instructions will follow. This is an emergency alert system broadcast authorized by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, the National Weather Service, and the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At approximately 12 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, an extraordinary and unprecedented series of events began. Reports from across the globe confirm the sudden occurrence of a loud, trumpet-like sound that resonated in the heavens, heard in every corner of the earth. Alongside this, severe climate disturbances have emerged, including violent storms, earthquakes of unparalleled magnitude, and signs of famine in previously stable regions. In Chicago, a mysterious rift has appeared near the center of the city, radiating a blinding aura visible for miles. Witnesses describe it as a gateway of light, accompanied by an overwhelming sense of awe and fear. These events are believed to signify the prophesied second coming of Jesus Christ. As detailed in religious texts, this marks the onset of Judgment Day, a moment in history where humanity will face divine reckoning and eternal judgment. The outcomes of this event remain uncertain for individuals and nations alike. Citizens are urged to remain calm. Gather your loved ones and seek shelter in locations you consider safe and meaningful. Whether that be in your homes, places of worship, or alongside those you hold dear, it is essential to find a space of reflection and peace. Prepare for the possibility of significant disruptions to infrastructure and communication systems. Further instructions will follow. As events unfold, all agencies have cautioned that there may be limited ability to provide updates as this phenomenon continues. Let us take solace in the words of Revelation 2:10, "Do not fear what you are about to suffer. Behold, the devil is about to throw some of you into prison, that you may be tested, and for 10 days you will have tribulation. Be faithful unto death, and I will give you the crown of life." We will do the final activation of the emergency alert system with one last playing of our national anthem. This is Microsoft Sam. Hope you have a fantastic Christmas. Goodbye and God bless the United States of America. Hope to see all of you in heaven with peace, happiness and blessings.